How to fix sorry we couldn't update your profile picture in Instagram. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, you want to open the Instagram app on your device. Now, to change your profile picture, you simply want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on Edit Profile. Now tap on Edit Picture or Avatar. Tap on New Profile Picture. Once you tap on this option, you can simply choose any of the pictures that you want from your gallery, or you can also take a new photo. So let's say you have picked a photo. Now tap on next again. And when you're trying to change it, you have some sort of error that says, sorry, we couldn't update your profile picture. If you face this issue, then there might be a couple of reasons. The first one is poor internet connection. So you want to make sure you are in stable network. So if you are connected with your Wi-Fi, try to switch it with your mobile data, or if you are using your data, try to switch to Wi-Fi and then try to upload the photo again and check. If that is not the issue, then you simply want to open up your settings, then scroll down and find the apps option. Now from here, you want to search for Instagram. Tap on it and then tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. Once you have done that, you want to head back and try to upload the photo. If you still face the error, then you simply want to uninstall the Instagram app on your device and then reinstall it from Play Store. After reinstalling the application, your issue of profile picture not uploading should be fixed. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.